Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, the mouse. My mouse sensitivity, the cursor going across the screen on my computer slowed down and I had no idea. Why did it slow down? So I went to the settings and I adjusted them to make it go fast, the sensitivity, and it didn't speed it up as much as I would have liked it to. I checked the bottom of the mouse. I checked everywhere. I unplugged it, the USB port in the computer. I put it back in. I was like, what is going on with the sensitivity of the mouse cursor? And the thing was, I looked it up and here's what I found out. This middle button, DPI or something, I clicked it. Once I clicked this middle button right here, this one has a couple buttons here. It has a scroll wheel, and then right here, this button. I pressed it, and voila! I got my mouse sensitivity back, and I was stunned. I was no longer famished. I was just outright, unbelievably elated. It fixed it. So if you have this DPI or whatever it's called button, press it. And your problem, well, it might be solved with your mouse sensitivity. Alright, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great and wonderful and terrific day.